name is Sergio. I am former EBS volunteer.
I'm Silvia Faro.
I'm Isaac.
I'm Ana Maria.
Juan Pablo.
I went to Bulgaria, Sofia.
In Kaunas, Lithuania.
Romania.
Lithuania.
New York, France.
EBS, it's a good opportunity.
I was thinking in EBS as a way to go abroad and explore the world.
I was volunteering here in Barcelona and I love traveling, so I thought it was like the best combination ever.
Meeting new people and
To develop myself, learn new skills, work in a group.
An adventure.
Doing things that I love, helping other people.
I discovered new cultures, new people.
I visited so many places, got to know myself so much better.
I really enjoyed being part of a crew.
You can help people and this makes you feel you are doing something good.
Challenging.
friends, open mind, experience.
Inspirational, wonderful.
Leave your comfort zone.
I'm so thankful what all happened to me.